In this video, I will show you how you can connect your Uniswap to your Coinbase wallet. Now, first thing you need to do is open up your Coinbase wallet, and then you have to click on this browser icon or internet icon at the bottom of your screen. Then it's going to open up this interface. From here, you have to select this Uniswap option, or if you don't find this option here, you can also use the search bar to search for Uniswap, and then you just have to click on it. Then it's going to open up this screen. From here, you have to click on this icon or the profile icon at the bottom of your screen right next to search icon. Then it's going to open up this screen. From here, you have to click on this power on, power off icon, and then it's going to display this disconnect button. So you just have to click on it, and then your current Uniswap account will be disconnected from your Coinbase wallet. Then you just have to click on this Uniswap mobile app. Just click on this first option, and then it's going to open up your Uniswap app, and then you will find this window. So you just have to click on this connect button, and once you do that, your Uniswap wallet will be connected to your Coinbase wallet. Now you can swap or exchange the coins between your Uniswap and your Coinbase wallet. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.